Can a simple sausage transform into a passport to an entire world of flavors? Forget everything you thought you knew about one-pot meals. I am going to share my easy recipe for making delicious one-pot sausage at home. And trust me, you will be amazed at how simple it is. This is how you make one-pot sausage. For this recipe I am using Italian sausages called salsiccia. You can use your favorite sausages. The important thing is that it must be raw sausage. Use the tip of the knife to poke holes in the sausages. Salsiccia is a raw Italian sausage made from coarsely ground pork, salt and spices. Have you ever tried salsiccia? What do you think of them? Heat an oven-proof pot, add cooking oil. The sausage begins to sear immediately, indicating that pot is hot enough. Place the sausages in a single layer and sear them on all sides until nicely browned. Salsiccia is a versatile ingredient that can be used on the grill, in the pasta dishes or even on pizza. The most important thing to remember is that salsiccia is raw and must be properly cooked. Before searing the sausages, chop the onions. I have 3 onions, 1 red and 2 yellow. Take the seared sausages out of the pot, add chopped onions. Cook the onions over low heat until it softens and starts to brown. Add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, stir and let the cumin release its aroma. Roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add the garlic and cook for about 1 minute. When garlic starts filling your kitchen with its aroma, it's time to make room in the middle of the pot and add a tablespoon of butter. When the butter is almost melted, add a tablespoon of plain flour. Mix the flour with the butter and let it brown slightly, then stir everything into the onion base. Stir the mixture and let it cook for about 1 minute. Then add a little stock so that it doesn't burn. Stir and let it slowly simmer. Meanwhile, prepare the sauerkraut. With sauerkraut, you need to check 2 things: whether the fibers are the desired length and whether the sauerkraut is too sour. If the cabbage is too sour, rinse it with water. Add 400 grams of sauerkraut. Stir. Add more stock so that everything is submerged. Taste. Add up 2 tablespoons of sugar to taste, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, pepper, salt. Return the sausages. Bake in an uncovered pot at 200 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. It's beautiful and smells wonderful. You have to try it. Serve with mashed potatoes. If you like pot dishes, you can find recipes for goulash or garlic beef stew on my channel or in the description below the video. If you like this video, share it and leave a comment. Firm and juicy sausages with onions, cabbage and a balanced sweet and sour sauce. That's what you are looking for. Would you like some too? Do you like sausage dishes?